So we recently had a little workshop where we tried some of the waters where you add minerals. We compared with regular tap water from Gothenburg. We compared with Bestmax filtered water, and then we had demineralized water where we add different minerals. So we tried out the Bluewater drops, third wave, and also ApaxLab. Now, what we found, if you're aware of these, wouldn't be too surprising, is that the favorite was Apex in the first test where we knew which waters we were trying, and then also we did a blind test, and the Apex came up as the favorite as well. However, what we did notice is when the Apex completely went down to temperature, I mean, when it was room temperature, because we had a one that used a lot of jam inside, it became very sweet in taste, but it was very nice when you had the right temperature. But also, we tried the completely zero demineralized water, which was surprisingly good still, but nothing compared to added minerals. Now, saying that Apex is the favorite is a little bit harsh to compare, but what we did notice with third wave was that in comparison, it gave a little bit of a dry mouthfeel. And the Bluewater is also a little bit interesting. Now, we got this sample, which is from their sort of medium profile, so it wasn't perfectly adjusted to the light flows that we were trying, and it's also not completely comparable because Bluewater is a system you install into your water system, so it demineralizes almost all the water, and then adds minerals to it, so you can get like demineralized and mineralized water on tap. Saying this, it was really good, like in that way, and it was slightly better than our filtered water. And I would can say like, wow, it's a tremendous difference because we do have a really good water in Gothenburg in general, but you still notice about slightly better. So it becomes something in between the versions where you do more like handcraft and the one that's automatic in a system on the tap. So yeah, it was an interesting test. It will be interesting to try the Apex against other brands as well. But in general, just to see how much it affects and that it actually was the favorite in both tests that we did. So yeah, if you, I do recommend trying the Apex, please, and enjoy and elaborate. The thing with the Apex is that you have like these are preset mineral recipes, while the Apex has three different types, which you can customize your recipe to, depending on what coffee you have, how it's processed, how it's roasted, and what you want to enhance. So in this way, the Apex obviously can be modified much more and give you a more precise flavor to what you're looking. So if you're able to buy some demineralized water and some of these added minerals to enhance your coffee flavor, I do recommend to try it. I said it's not. It might, depending on what kind of water you have in general, it might not be like a like complete out of the moon wow factor, but for many people that use like regular tap water, it does make a difference. But also, if you just go to buying a regular filter to filter your tap water, will also make a huge difference. So don't have to go all wild, but making the small steps will be a next step for your level.